Hi, welcome to Fall in the Field at Willowwood Ranch, which consists of 445 acres of land in Southern Oregon's high country. Their mission is to cultivate connections to farm, forest, water, and each other. Chances are you haven't thought a lot about the soil under your feet. In this lesson, we will dig into our connection to soils. Let's begin our exploration. Imagine this apple represents Earth.
We know that water covers 71% of Earth's surface. That's almost 3/4 of Earth.
That's right. That leaves us with roughly 1/4 of Earth's surface is composed of soil. Soil is the material found on the surface of the Earth that is composed of organic material, inorganic material, water, and air.
The organic material comes from dead tissue of plants and countless organisms, such as bacteria and lichen. The inorganic materials are those that derive from non-living organisms, such as rocks and minerals.
Through decomposition and weathering, organic and inorganic materials get broken down in smaller pieces. The smaller pieces of material mix and form soil. This means soil develops over a long time and is composed of many different materials. There are 12 types of soil, but the 3 basic types are sand, silt, and clay.
Sand is made up of larger particles, between 0.05 to 2 millimeters. It feels gritty. Because the particles are large, there is a lot of airspace and little or no ability to hold water. Silt is made up of moderately sized particles, between 0.002 to 0.05 millimeters. It has a smooth or fluory texture. Silt tends to have a spherical shape and can retain a large amount of water. Clay is made up of smaller particles, less than 0.002 millimeters. It feels sticky. Particles are so densely packed that there is very little or no airspace. They can retain the greatest amount of water, but also do not release it easily.
However, most soils are composed of a combination of the different types. How they mix will determine the texture, how they feel, and look. We often think of soil as dirt, something that is inconvenient, that needs to be cleaned or washed from our lives. However, it's the complete opposite. Soil is a basic element of life. Without it, we would not survive.
We build on soil and with stuff from soil. It filters water to keep it clean. It helps regulate the Earth's temperature. It grows our plants and trees. It provides shelter for many organisms, and much more. Soil is habitat.
No matter how hard we try, we cannot separate ourselves from soil and the fundamental role it plays for us. Now that we have reviewed the basics about soil, check the next video where you get to be a soil scientist.